Hello, this with Shrouded Fable and yeah, when I was recording the first time, it kinda did some stuff, so I'm doing I'm gonna do the cards over again and other stuff. So I got Disco. Well, that one, for arts. Flexer or something. And new or something. These three are my rares. Okay. Especially this one is a full art rare. I mean, my other two, my other one rare that I got when these two and this one. Yeah, I was recording, but something my iPad said I'm not recording you. I'm in turn off for right now, and it was odd. Yeah, it was odd. My iPad just like it like it it kind of like I'm done recording. It's like I'm done recording. You're ugly. I'm getting turned out before this turns more ugly or something like that. It's very odd. I don't think I'm ugly. I think I'm perfect like everyone else. It's just like what God made me. It's like all you. It's like what God made me to be special, to show everyone that you don't have to be a normal person to be perfect. You can show the world why are you perfect and stuff. It's a cool card. I guessing dirt. I think it's psychic. flexing there. And that. Yeah, I'm just showing what the cards in here. And stuff. I'm hoping to get like all different yeah, like all different cards. All different cards not just like copies, but all different like um like all different varieties. Dang it. I didn't I didn't get yeah, it's called awesome. But and these ones are on me at night. No, Academy at night. That one is Sidra. That one is Cabbage. Something like that. Yeah. These three are. One's Cabbage, I think. That's the elephant one, and the others. Yeah, I'm guessing to get like all different variety cards. I'm hoping to get like one or two of the gold ones. Because the gold ones are kinda hard to get and stuff, so I'm just hoping to get like one or two of the gold ones. Because they're hard to get. Not including the full art cards. I'm hoping to get like everyone the different full arts as well. Full art and the one couple of different ones and other stuff. Here's the go card. Now I'm guessing fighting. Dang it, lightning. Dang it, one of my sorry about that. Sorry about that. I'm like yawning me. I guess I did. I guess I did. I didn't get a full night, full sleep or something because I am tired. Still I. Yeah, I'm tired. My brain is not fully awake. Okay. garbage jar. That's what I got last time. And other two. Awesome. I got different full yeah, I think it's the same code, dang it. River Boom EX. That's one of my same cards I got last time. And Hexeros. Hexeros. I think that's how you say it. Yeah. I'm just saying them as that's all I'm gonna coming my mouth and everything else. Yeah, it still feels like I'm tired. It's not fully daytime yet. I wish it was, but it's not. Okay, then. Here's the code card. Now I'm guessing fire. Again, now lightning card. Oh, these ones are, yeah, these ones are new. I'm keeping those. Yeah, those ones. Yeah, those ones are like totally new ones, and I'm keeping those. I'm keeping those energies. The 4 different energies. The grass, the fire, the we got lightning, and water. The grass, lightning, and water. I will have lightning. Okay, these are Hypno, Melamer, and Crossy Yellow, similar. These are the three other common rares. Yeah, these are common rares. They're not the full art rares. Which I wish like everyone of these. They gave me one of these for full art rares. It'd be awesome if they were all full art rares like EX. The full art ones, the gold ones, and that stuff. I wish that they could make more of these. And then the other ones, the common rares. I wish that they could make more of not the comments, the full art cards, the gold cards, the X cards, and stuff. I wish that they made more of those, not the full art commons. Is the coupon. I'm guessing water. Thing is, I'm psychic. Okay. And what else I've been up to? I've been doing this. I've been doing games on my phone. I've been doing acting. The one. Yeah, I like Eevee. The Eevee ones are good. Well, yeah, I collect Eevee, Eevee evolutions, Charizard, and then Charizard evolutions, and Bulbasaur evolutions. Pikachu evolutions, Squirtle evolutions, and Charizard evolutions. I'm missing one of them, but I don't remember which one. Pikachu and Pikachu evolutions. Yeah, the treasure Bulbasaur. Yeah, Bulbasaur, Squirtle, Charmander, and Pikachu. Yeah, I clicked all four of them, and plus the evolutions of them as well, including Eevee and Eevee evolutions. Which I'm not sure they haven't. I mean, yeah, because I haven't seen them in here as well. Only seen, I only seen Eevee. Oh, that's one of the ones too. Hydro or something. And then to Dortrix and Tababulu. Yeah. With these they made with different energies and stuff, like water, fire, grass, lightning. I usually keep those and put them in my Pikachu binder, my Shrouded binder. My yeah, I have all those things that I'm collecting. I put in the binder. Okay. Here's a code card. Now I'm guessing fire. Yeah, yeah, and it's not one the cool design. Yeah, I might need to get more of the Shrouded Fable boxes or something. And you get one of the boxes or one of those things that come with like 120 cards, or like one of the boxes. It comes with a lot more than these boxes and other stuff. These Beware and Gank, and then Crashula. These two and this one. And yet I haven't got any of the gold cards yet, which I'm hoping to get out of like 2 copies of the Boom. Yeah, do 2 copies of Boom. Here's the gold card. And let me guess, water. And yeah, they don't have, it's only some cards that have the cool effect and that stuff. Now I'm trying to get water, fire, and water, and grass of that cool effect, and everything else. Yeah, I'm trying to get like water, fire, and grass, and the cool effect of that one. Okay. The three red cards. I think a copy one is Genesis and Horsian. And Copper Geo. I think some of these I had copies of them. Not, I mean like copies not like two of the copies. I think I got like a bunch of copies of the Jackson card. The Jackson card and like not like the copies of copies of the kind of like the copies like this. That that design and stuff. The code card. After when I'm done here, I mean go right through to see. There's some I'm guessing fire. Yeah, I did. I on them all. I didn't get any of them right and other stuff. Cause that's my my Pokemon thingy. Yeah, I wish they made Eevee and Eevee evolutions, which I don't think they don't. They don't. In this one, I don't think they don't. Oh no, Eevee, but that doesn't count. Oh, full art. Yes, that's a bit full art Persian. And zero goes these are my is my these two are my underwear one, my last wear ones. Yeah, I am all covered. I got all three of my boxes all covered now. I did three different ones, 3 different videos on my 3 different boxes I had. Okay, if you like this, give it a like. And if you haven't, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell that notifies if I got any more videos coming out. And can you please turn the bell on? That will get notified if I got any more videos coming out. And can you please subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I know some of you aren't subscribed to my YouTube channel and stuff that are watching this. Let's just all together. Peace, love, and we are.